enjoying the video here. That people has already decontaminated there. Let's leave here or... This is the garage, guys. How are you guys doing? Straight to the point. Today we are going to do one finishing here. Show here Matthew why. In this bag do all the finishing here this. Of this plastic gives drunk. These corners and 4 stays until the end. That there's a corner here that I want to show you. For us to do this cleaning of a different way. It's there in the video that has a special bonus here. I'm going to show you a place where we go. I'm also doing this cleaning in a nice way. Without attacking and super easy. Call there. So, look what I'm going to I'm going to use this decontamination, right? 2 songs. Do bad door. I will use the impact here. He's in a dilution from 1 to 10. I am using the AP here. C in a dilution from 1 to 10. To sprayers. I separated here too. Oh, a detail brush. And our old Argent. Oh, for people who are our Secretary of Defense. How I have compressor here. I USE it here, which I think is more practical, right? If you have one sprayer doing, will also give very good. Let's act here one little bit. Why let one little right act here? And here, oh, one small brush here for detail. You give this affection, guys. In these corners here. Look, show here, Matthew. Look here, or look at the dirt. Look here at the dirt, oh. That is already staying here, why? This here people are really hardy. Is soggy? I will show you another way that you can also be doing if you have the too much. Sure. Things here. Declaration of new. I'm nervous. Let's go. You can make this application the way we made here. Ready you can be using here too. Oh, that way hero. From. Guys is as follows. He's on dilution 1 to 10, okay. Oh, bit of intelligence here. Is that he manages to make a more accessible action for you. It's working, right? Beauty. So let's do this part here. I will show you here. It wasn't even here. I will take it going to take. Here is the APC. I could only be working with, only with impact. But I decided to do it here. Oh, in this part here. Show here, Matthew. Oh, in that part of the car body. I'm doing it with impact, right? On this part in the rubber part, I will apply the PCO. No problem if this cloud stays not. Here, just pass one cloth later and everything is fine. Look there, guys. Look at the other bean there, that comes out to be another. Brush here. Oh, good saw. Not to be. Then you don't tear them. Commenting there that you are scratching the car. It's going up in here cool. Look, show here, Matthew. Look there. Oh man, the cool thing is that you're not going to do a treatment like that in rotary cleaning, nor people don't even have time. It's not even worth it. This is that service you are. Talk to your client. Combine a value. To do a nicer mapping here in the car. To let him right away all conditioned. All clean. And then you do. You charge more in here. Oh, this is not a waste of time. Because here you are. Is adding value. Right at the price you are charging and the service. He will come out very satisfied. Can believe. Oh, bid here from the Secretary of Defense. Why is that you can work longer in the piece? But if you don't have people, the sprayer also works well, saw. If you don't have this here are options that, in the proposals that we record, these videos here, sometimes I give to proposal 3. Understood. You do what you like best. Here in the rubber part here now why? From the PC or you do one decontamination here. Too cool. This is called whim. It's good, saw. I will show you here now. Then I do one more finish. Here is the video. I'm not going to prolong myself, right? I'll show you one other way you can go. Cleaning back here, depending on the car. This car here, he has this part of the right carpet. You won't wash well. Won't throw water here, it goes. He will get heavy. He can take off. Understood. So like this. How can we do that here? Oh, I will. Apply again here. The impact here in the... Because here the purpose of the video is this right. Cleaning. From the corners of the... Oh, here you come here. Oh, let the product act here. Oh, I'm going to leave it at work. I'll just pass here, oh. There or... Show here, Matthew. Look here, just for you to pass the product. Oh, he is already doing this decontamination, oh. It is already detaching here, why? Look there, oh. His action is well. Very quickly, saw. It's in a dilution 1 to 10. Saw, guys. Made here the decontamination, oh. Rubbed right. If I only have impact and don't have APC, it decontaminates. The rubber too. Or plastic. It's there in the video there for you to see. Decontaminates, saw, guys. Oh, did it here. I won't do the whole area. I'm only going to do this part from up here. Ready. Okay, ready. People, we will do here. Oh, this cleanliness here, in a very healthy way. Here on the car carpet. Here in the part. Not every car has this part here, but this one has. So, we are recording the video. Soon or. Let me act here. One little bit, and then you only do one finish here with cloth. Gloss or. This treatment here, it is very similar. With cleaning. From the roof of the car. He's a lot like cleaning the ceiling. You will use the A. 2 loaves. Understood. One with product, another twisted right. With water, twisted to do the finishing. Remove excess product, and here O. Is very similar. Oh, he will already give one. Revitalized and one cleaning here why. He's not too dirty. So, can we make it in this way here? Ready got handsome. Did not attack. See you here, Matthew. Alright, it's wet right, but oh, you already see that there is a difference. It already leaves with a more renewed appearance. I will now beat the water here. Right, and let's see here how it will look. The video we will do the following. I will conclude here and show you already. I managed here to make all the bag right. Now, we're going to crash a water and let's see the right result here. Let's see here how it turned out. The result of this
Mala.
Come on. Guys, take a look here. Why? How did you get here? Show here, Matthew. Oh, look at the cool decontamination that impact did. OH sure is inevitable. The water will be here a little bit, but the intention is that it's not something that will soak the piece, right? He will. Just wet logical. It's okay if you get a little wet. But look how the finishes are here. We can go back in with refineries. Precise case. Because sometimes you do that cleaning, and there can still be a corner. But it's just to show you that these corners here. Look at the ringtone that stayed here. From this here people is sometimes very with dirt. And sometimes we pass beaten. Or I did everything. I did all the finishing here. Oh, I'm going to show you the inside here too. Oh, then we take away the excess here. But I believe I can see you in the video. Oh, how is the result already here? Here is still a little bit of water. And really drips. Has no way. OH here is the rubber part. And the plastics we made with the PC. Then you'll get what you'll get. A renewed plastic. A renewed rubber, right? And these corners, who are left with the scar here, why? 0, 0. Enjoying the video here. Let me show you here. Oh, I will not leave. I won't leave him like this. Why shows here Medius why? I won't leave it like this. Look how it goes there. We go from. Let's go to. I will do like or eraser. Eraser. Impact. I will take it here now. Oh. Use it now in the compressor. Look there, Matthew. I think it's cool that he looks here. How is he already doing action here? Oh, we apply the product. Oh, and he's already making that little foam. Dirty. Look there, oh. Oh, without making force. Look there, look how Medius Y is already staying here. Galley. Continue. Saw. Look there, oh. SO here. Repeating. I like to do it like this with lighting. That you can. Take longer here, oh. In cleaning. Makes one action more exciting. Look there, oh. The cloud is already getting. What color is this? Is white is. There or. I don't think I've ever seen cleaning. Enjoying the video here. That people has already decontaminated there. Let's leave here or. I'm going to beat one water already here. Guys, like I told you, as I said, sometimes I rubbed enough. But it's so steeped for so long that here deserves to make a transfer. Why? Are you seeing? Why do a cleaning here in this corner that the brush did not redo here? Why? More people, or you see, which is so cool, you do this detailing in the car. The car has such a beautiful performance. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will record more videos here for you. Here to the channel. There are corners here that are time. And thanks for watching the video until the end. And worth